Hi everyone and welcome to my place. During my travels to Japan we were staying in Airbnb and the lady that owned the house was actually staying there as well, and she insisted after we arrived, we looked a bit ragged, that I take this bath, and she had these wonderful bath salts infused with rose. They are absolutely beautiful, and she said not only would it be good for my skin but it would help me relax. So she gave me the recipe, and I would really like to share this with you now because it is quite nice and it would make for an amazing gift. So into a pouring jug here I'm going to put half a cup, actually I'll put a cup of Himalayan sea salt, and the great thing about this is it's already coloured, so I thought that that was quite good. Into that you can then put in about 15 to 20 drops of rose essential oil, can go into there like that, 2, 3, 4, right, that's it. And then you just give it a stir. I'm loving chopsticks now. Give that a lovely stir until all of those oils are infused into the salt. Oh, that smell is absolutely divine. And then put them into your own little container, and I've just put a little bead on the side there. And then to finish off that top, I think that was a maple syrup top. To finish off, I'm just going to put a little bead on, or a little button on the top of that, just to give that a little bit more posh. Isn't that cute? How fantastic are these for gifts, and how nice to have that sitting beside the bath so that when you get in it's ready to go. And I use about that much of a shot glass into a bath because that's all the lady used. It's a fantastic recipe. It's really quick and easy. I hope you give it a go and you enjoy it. I'll see you again another day.